Hi Foodie Chef Pete is here today, and I'm going to make the Krusteaz Wild Blueberry Cake today. You know, the Krusteaz company is up there in Washington, and it's in Seattle actually, it's headquartered, and it's been around since 1948. And what we know about this particular blueberry cake is that it was introduced into their different flours and other cake mixes and different things around the same time the company was founded, sometime around then. So there we have it. This is really easy to do. A couple of eggs. I've put in here a little cinnamon and a little bit of cloves because I like to have things a little zippy. And you can use oil or you can use butter. I'm using butter today. Okay, I'm using butter. And let's get our butter in here. Okay, butter is in. Alrighty, and some water. And you can just follow the baking directions on the back. And I'm going to add, but first I'm going to mix up everything real good here. Our egg, a couple of eggs, and everything with our butter. Let's get it mixed up. Our cinnamon. I've got a little cloves in here. And today I'm going to add here the blueberries, yes, because it's a blueberry mix, but also some cranberries. So I'm going to stretch this out so we have a blueberry cranberry flavor going today. Okay, and that's that. And then in goes, this is so easy to do. In goes, and you don't need a mixer for these mixes, which is so nice. If you've looked at and seen the way I do these, and I've done them before, is that these are really, really super nice because you don't need a mixer. Just mix him up just like this with your spatula in your bowl, just like this, and he gets all put together. And as soon as you get him all mixed up in with your liquid and your eggs and whatever spices you got to soup him up, alrighty, then you add your fruits. Okay, in this case, I'm putting blueberries and cranberries. But you can put just the blueberries, you know, but try anything different that you like. Try it and give it a try, okay? And these...
Can we see the box again?
Sure. Here it is.
I want
here.
to just get that box.
Okay, so this is Krusteaz, and Krusteaz is a good mix if you're going to want to do an easy, quick cake. And it takes about an hour, more or less, here to do it in an 8x8. You can do it in a loaf pan if you like. I like an 8x8, but just check to make sure that your toothpick comes out clean from the middle, okay? All right, so there we have it. And then what I do is I like to spread him out. So he's in the pan, just like this, spread out. And I give it a slap, and Krusteaz it is. There we have it. So this will go in the oven now at 350 for about an hour, and then use your toothpick to check to make sure he's cooked all the way through. Okay, so it comes out clean. Okay, so this is Peter Carpizos, and we'll show you this as it comes out of the oven after it's cooked, and give it a try. The Krusteaz Wild Blueberry, out of the box, easy mix. So this is Peter Carpizos, as always, wishing you the best. Subscribe, like, and watch all of our playlists. We love you all. This is Peter Carpizos, out.
I always thought it was Krusteaz.
Krusteaz is the name. Thanks, Ed. Pete out.